Hello friends, in this video we shall talk about Akash Mudra, which is a very easy and permanent cure for all your ear related, bones related or any heart problems. This is a permanent cure for problems such as tinnitus, osteoporosis, blood pressure issues, migraines, sinusitis, shoulder pain, neck pain, ear discharge, deafness or any hearing problem or any heart problem. But before we proceed ahead, please subscribe our channel and share and like all our videos. Akash Mudra is formed by joining the tip of the middle finger with tip of the thumb and by keeping other three fingers straight and upright, as shown in the figure here. This mudra can be done for 45 minutes per day, or if that's not possible, one can do it for 15 minutes 3 times every day. A precaution is that one should not do this mudra while walking or while eating any food. For all mudras, one should try and do them in a position when the spine is straight, for example in Vajrasan, Padmasana or Sukhasana. Benefits of Akash Mudra. This mudra improves hearing abilities and it relieves of the shoulder pain. Malfunctioned thyroid or the neck pain are also relieved by this mudra. This mudra cures all ear related problems such as discharge from the ears, tinnitus or even deafness. This mudra fixes calcium deficiency in the body and it strengthens the bones. It helps in osteoporosis, tooth decay, involuntary shivering of the body and the brittle bones situations. This mudra heals heart problems, blood pressure issues, migraine, sinusitis pain and others. This mudra relieves locked jaw, a situation in which facial muscles become stiff. This mudra tremendously helps people who have tendency to waste time, wander purposelessly or behave foolishly, or who are mentally dwarfed or retarded. If you are doing Akash Mudra for joint pains or arthritis or gout, it is recommended that you can do Akash Mudra by one hand and you should do Prithvi Mudra by the other hand. This way you may achieve the desired result sooner. This mudra is helpful during meditation as well. For any throat related irritation or cough in the throat, this mudra will be very helpful. Now let's have some general information on the mudras. But I would suggest please watch our other videos, especially the first one in this playlist, to get the accurate and more detailed information on hand mudra yoga. Here is a summary of 13 core mudras, out of which 8 are Tattva mudras and 5 are Pranic mudras. Many more mudras can be created by joining different fingers and thumb in different manners. Here is the summary of 8 Tattva mudras. Please watch our first video in this series where you can get more details of all these Tattva and Pranic mudras. But in summary, if thumb is pressed onto the tip of the index finger, we get Gyan mudra. When we fold the index finger and we press it lightly by the thumb, we get Vayu mudra. Similarly, if we press the tip of middle finger by the thumb, we get Akash mudra. And if we fold the middle finger and then press lightly with the thumb, we get Shunya mudra. Similarly, with the ring finger, with the tip we get Prithvi mudra, and with the ring finger folded we get Surya mudra. Little finger gives us Indra mudra, and then when the little finger is folded, it gives us the Varun mudra. Doing mudras. Mudras can be done anytime in any pose. For example, while sitting, standing, watching TV, or even while walking. Mudras can be done by one hand, or they can be done by both the hands. For example, you can do Vayu mudra by your right hand and not do anything at the same time with the left hand. But generally it is better if you do the same mudra with both the hands simultaneously. Mudras should be done daily for 45 minutes. However, if needed, mudra can be done for 15 minutes 3 times a day as well. A mudra done along with deep breathing shows quicker results. Do not do any mudra for at least 30 minutes after the meals. except the Surya Mudra, which is used for improving the digestion. Two different mudras can be done simultaneously, one by the right hand and the other by the left hand. However, do not do opposite mudras, for example Prithvi Mudra and the Surya Mudra, because Prithvi Mudra is used for increasing the body weight and the Surya Mudra is its opposite and it is used for decreasing the body weight. Mudras can be done along with other therapies as well.